Hi, in this video we're going to be discussing planning a motorcycling route in the Beeline app. You can start planning using your favourite places or your saved routes. Alternatively, you can plan on the map using the big yellow button at the bottom of the screen. Use the search bar to set your end destination. You can type in here or use your previously searched. You'll notice that the end location is currently selected. Deselect by tapping the map. You can reselect locations by tapping the pins. To add a stop along your journey, simply tap the route. You can change the location of this by dragging or using the search. Remove stops using the delete icon. The Beeline app will give you up to 3 route options. They will take into account the current traffic data. If you add 3 or more waypoints or stops, it won't take into account the traffic data. Alternatively, you can navigate using compass mode, which is as the crow flies. The navigation arrow will point directly to your destination or next waypoint. Make sure when you're planning that your activity type is set to motorcycle. Today we're going to ride our first option. Simply tap Go to begin. If this hasn't answered your question, or you need more help, email us at support@beeline.co and we'll get you sorted.